Does this slab of cheese look cute or what? If you wanna learn how to make that kind of eyes in Blender, I have just a video for you. You can easily like animate them around. Have your own animatable cheese eyes. Pretty cool to make stuff like this. Cheese eyes, let's do it. So first, this is the basic view when you open Blender, and this is the basic new file. So we have some stuff here which we don't need, so pressing A to select all, and then X, we're gonna delete all of those. Then by pressing Shift A, we're gonna add mesh, and the mesh we're gonna add is UV sphere. Let's add that. Okay, we have the sphere. We wanna rotate it just a bit. So to rotate it accurately, we're gonna press R, X, and 90. So RX 90, then enter. We rotated the sphere a bit. Then we're gonna smooth it out. Oh, not yet. Okay. Then we're gonna here's a like here inside we have this material button, the tab button. Press that. Let's add 3 materials. One for the eyeball white, one for the eye color, and one for the iris. Okay. Then let's press new, and new. We could name this, but since they are all different colors, we're not going to do that now. So, okay, eyeball white first. So I'm gonna change the base color here, so it's going to be straight up white. Then the next color is gonna be the eye color, and a little bit like lavender color or purple color or like fuchsia. Okay. And like the center of the eye, it's going to be black. So I crank this down to ultimate black. Okay. So we have the 3 materials here. We're gonna select the sphere as it's selected here and press tab button. And now we are in edit mode. And here we're gonna go to face select mode. Here's a button for it, or press 3 in your keyboard. And we have all faces selected, which is alright, but we just select some of those. So first unselect all by pressing 2 times A. So we press 1 in our numpad to go to the front view to face the sphere. And now we press C and select like let's say this much, and first pressing Z and go to material preview. We're gonna see the eye white here, and we have the selection in the center. Now we're gonna press the eye color material and press the assign button. So woohoo! Now we have the eye color there, but we still need like the center black. So we're gonna press 2 times A to unselect all. Press C to have the circle selector again. And now like scroll wheel to make the selector a little bit smaller and select like maybe this much. Go here and press the black material, select that and assign. So now, well, we already have the eye here. But we can go to the object mode. You see we have this eye all like jagged edges here. So we select the eye and press the object button. And then here you can select shade smooth. Okay, whoa, we already have like this eye here and it's looking pretty good. So next step is make an eyelid. Okay, so in object mode, let's add another sphere. Shift A. Here, pair this UV sphere and scale it up a bit with pressing S and move the mouse around like such. Then make it smooth by object, shade smooth. Then press tab to go edit mode and press 1 to front view. Now we want transparency, so we press Z and wireframe. I'm gonna select half, so that much. Then press X to delete like vertices. I mean delete faces. So X, delete faces, like such. Okay. And now see and material preview. Oh, we see the eyelid. Okay. I could make some eyelashes. Pressing 2 in the keyboard to select edge mode. And maybe select some of the edges here, like if you wanna see like these edges. Then maybe extrude them out a bit like this, and then rotate them inwards a bit. Then here maybe like with G, like adjust them a bit. Select vertices mode. You can press G to move one vertices around, but yeah. We have this pretty easy eyelash shape. You could do any kind of eyelashes you would like, but okay. Then I could, like, you remember how we added materials, so I could go there like with Z material preview here and add a couple of like material slots here. Like. So now we could add some materials. We have two, so one is going to be like for the eyelid, and second one is going for the eyelashes. So it could be like dark blue or something, and the other one could be for the eyelid. So maybe something like this, I don't know. And remember to assign the materials. Like, you have to select the path first, and then press the assign to assign the material to the part you want. And okay, have kinda cool looking cartoon eye with eyelash. A little trick for the blender, so select the eye and the eyelid, press Shift D, move the eye where you want it, like right next to the other eye, then press S, X, -1, flip the mesh around in X axis. So now it's like the eyelid is like in the right place, like it's rotated much better. And with both eyelashes selected, you could like RX in the X axis, like play with them. you could have them in different positions. You could animate those. You could make anything you want, really. Like in object mode, you could add like let's say UV sphere, make larger, like this, change smooth, like this. Then you could have like this ball already with eyes. So you could have this ball with huge eyes. Huge. What the? I mean, like big eyes. Big eyes. You would have really big eyes with that little ball. You could have the eyes like on the side. You could have them like there, and like make them like rotate around. You could do anything almost like you could. Oh, I'm so worried. I'm a ball. You could like, oh, what are you doing? I don't know. I'm just a ball. Okay, you made me. You tell. Okay, so cute ball with beautiful lashes. You made it. You're the boss, not me. Yeah. Beautiful looking eyes or something, you know. Wow! Nice to have you around. Okay, bye bye.